Morning, guys.
Morning, welcome back to the channel.
Where are we heading off to today, man?
Going to Sylvan Lake.
Ooh.
Gonna go see a customer and pick up some pork belly. Making smoked mac and cheese today, guys. You guys are coming with us. Stay tuned.
We'll have to show you how we make our smoked mac and cheese today. It's gonna be pretty deadly. I got my sister coming up, so it'll be a good little family cookout.
So Jay, what did we do yesterday?
Yesterday we went to Fort Mac. We went and saw the owner at Fort Mac Pellets Supply.
Yes,
and,
sir.
Picked up his first time order, so he's been super excited for that. It's already been flying off the shelves, so that's great to see.
If you're in the Fort Mac area, go see Cam at Fort Mac Pellet Supply. Mickey J's is there. Our rubs are $6. Our sauces are $8. So Jay, what's your favorite thing about smoked mac and cheese?
Just, I mean, it's in the title, the smoky cheesiness of it.
Okay.
Cheesy smoky. It's
Now,
great.
question of the day. Do we add shrimp?
Definitely gotta add shrimp in that.
Definitely gotta add shrimp.
Definitely need some shrimp.
Okay, so shrimp, pork belly. Alright, let's do it. What rubs are we using today?
I feel like a bit of Cajun.
Okay.
Some of our triple C's would be good.
Okay.
I don't know, what else do you think we could throw in there?
Rub down.
Rub down.
Rub down.
Oh yeah.
We're giving it the rub down, guys.
There we go.
Yeah. Well, stay tuned for the drive, and we will see you in a little bit.
Yeah.
So, story time with Mike and Jay. So, when I was in my early 20s, I used to do like in-house sales. So, you sell like air purifiers, water systems, vacuum cleaners, you name it, I've sold it, right? So, the reason why we're talking about this, because I just bought these from the gas station for a whopping $20, 26, 24 taxes in. And I always liked spiking my hair in the front, right? Well, when I was in my 20s, I always used to like go to people's houses. And you always had to wear like a tuxedo, or you always had to look really good. And I always said I was Tom Cruise from Top Gun. And that would honestly be a sales line too. Be like, I'm now in your house, Tom Cruise, nice to meet you. What can I sell you? I need your wallet, please. Credit card information goes right here.
Oh yeah.
So Jay, so Sylvan Lake, what's your favorite thing about Sylvan Lake?
Walked along the beachfront there. It's such a great walk. There's so many people. Like, everyone's doing their own thing. It's kind of interesting to just go down there and people watch. Plenty of bars to hit up, so like it's always a good time.
Fair enough.
What's your favorite part about Sylvan?
The butcher shop.
The butcher shop. That's probably, yeah. I
Definitely the butcher shop.
Yeah.
Well, Jay, why don't we show them outside? It's fucking gorgeous
check
today.
this out, guys.
It's a whopping 16 degrees. Welcome back, guys. So, we just left the butcher shop in Sylvan Lake. We had to pick up some meat for dinner, so Jay's gonna give you a little bit of a rub down on what it is.
So we got this side pork. Gonna chop it in half or so. Throw some Cajun and rub down on it. Throw it on the barbecue. It's gonna get mixed into our smoked mac and cheese. So it's gonna give a nice pork kick to it.
What else do we get today, Jay?
We also got some bones for the dog, for Leroy. So definitely deserves this. He's gonna enjoy this treat. We did also get some fancy soap, some tallow soap. It's called Pure Carnivore. It's an ideal elimination diet for your skin. So all the fats in it is really good for cleaning your skin. So that's for Mike. I'm sure he's gonna really like that stuff.
So guys, the cool part about what we're using today, we're using something called pork belly. Okay, Jay's gonna give you a little bit of a show there. And pork belly is actually how bacon is made. So normally what you'd do is you'd cure pork belly over like 5 to 7 days, and then you cold smoke it at like 180, 190 degrees, and makes bacon. But today we're gonna chop it up, we're gonna cube it. You guys are gonna see this in a little bit, and it's actually gonna go in our smoked mac and cheese along with some shrimp. So we will see you back at the house. Enjoy the time lapse. What we're gonna do next, this is what we're using today. As you guys can see, we quite like them. So, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna throw some Cajun on. So if anybody's ever wondering, you don't really taste mustard. Personally, I hate mustard, but it's a great binder. Helps everything stick to the meat. Perfect. And then on the other side, so this is the fat side. Some people tend to like to cook with fat side up or fat side down. It really doesn't matter too much. So all we're going to do now try and put the fat side down. Give that a nice sprinkle. So we're going to stick that one up here. We're going to grab our other one now. So this one's going to be a little bit different. We're going to be using SPG in it. You want to mustard me? Perfect. Like I said, you don't really need a lot of mustard. You just want to be able to coat all sides. Coat the back, coat the front, make sure it's nice and pretty. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do SPG on this side. We're going to do triple C's on this side. We're actually going to leave the fat on this because we're actually going to make pork belly bites out of this. So this needs to be able to get crunchy. So I'm going to let Jay take over and he's going to season that up for us.
Alrighty guys, give her a nice little sprinkle here. Oh yeah. Pat it all in, grab some from the bottom. And the SPG. Alrighty guys. You guys are pretty much ready for the barbecue now, eh?
Yep. So we'll meet you at the barbecue.